Hello and welcome. My name is Amal and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install imagemagick on your Windows operating system 10. So launch your preferred browser, go to your new tab and then just Google imagemagick and you should get this imagemagick.org link. And now you can simply click on this download button on the right, on the left top, and then you have multiple options: Linux, Mac OS X, iOS binary release. You can also click these: binary release of Windows. You can click that and then you can see it says 64-bit. 64-bit, this is the description. uh, if you're looking for any specific release, you can scroll down and go ahead and install imagemagick for your operating system and system type. Mine is basically 64-bit standard, so I'll install this, the latest one. Or dynamic 64-bit per pixel component with high dynamic range imaging enabled. So this is the latest one. Sample projects you can check out. You can check out sample projects, Xcode projects, project settings. This is required if you're working with images or software that deals with creating videos or editing videos. So here we go. I'm going to install it. Simply go ahead and install it. Open it, double click it, right click it, open it, the way you do it. So I'm going to accept agreement, say next, next, and this is where it is going to be installed. So I'm going to just change the name. I won't be using multiple versions of it, so I'll keep it very simple. Okay, create a desktop icon. Do I need? No. Install legacy utility convert. Install development headers for maybe, yeah, it is required. Install Perl Magic for no, I don't have Perl installed. Convert may be required. I have used it in past. The convert command line tool utility. So here we go. We are done. So view index.html and here we are. This is from your system. This gives you links to all the things you can do with image. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. You can go ahead and check if your imagemagick is working. Convert, must specify a file system, so it is installed. You can also go ahead and check imagemagick here. You can simply look for image, sorry, here we have, it's coming from the web, but we have already installed, and you can check it here in the control panel. So this is what we have. Imagemagick. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.